Molecular compounds, also known as covalent compounds, occur between a nonmetal and another nonmetal, or multiple. They share electrons. Because they're sharing, there's no multiples being together for a net zero charge of 2, they're sharing the electrons. You have to name them by indicating how many you have of each one. So you add prefixes to indicate the number. The only time you don't add a prefix is if you only have a singular of the first nonmetal. For example, CO2. I would write carbon, the name of the nonmetal. I don't have to write mono for the first one. Then di, because I have 2 oxygens, dioxide. CO, just carbon to start. Now I have to indicate for the second one always if I only have one, so monoxide. That change ending of the second element and a prefix. What about P2S5? I have 2 phosphorus and 5 sulfur. Now you always only change the ending of the second nonmetal. But this time you have more than one, so you add the prefix. So diphosphorus, penta, or pentsulfide. Usually the A is dropped. These prefixes are the ones that you'll need to use to indicate how many nonmetals you have of each. Let's do one more. N2I7. So 2 nitrogens, dinitrogen, hepta for 7, heptiodide. So the difference here is you're indicating with the prefix how many you have as subscripts, how many of each the nonmetals that you have. You're not looking at the charges, you're looking at how many of the electrons are being shared because of the nonmetal elements being bonded together.